Assalamu alaikum students. This is our third lecture of computer class 8. In this lecture, we will start our chapter number 2, which is computer security and threats. What is computer security? How to make a computer secure? Keeping information on a computer safe is called computer security. We have storage in computer and we store our files, our information on that storage device. If our information is secure, no external person can access that information, no can update that information. This is called computer security. Anything that can cause a problem or change to this information, it means update that information, is called security threat. There are three terms used for computer security, three different concepts. One is information security. What is information security? It secures information from unauthorized access. Only those users can access the information which are authorized by the admin. What is computer security? If you have a single computer, single machine, by keeping that machine updated, this is computer security. What is cyber security? If you are working in a network, if you are working in a network means you can communicate with other computers. If you can secure your computer in a network, it is called cyber security. These are the common security threats. We have virus, we have adware, worm, and hacker. I will explain each and every security threats stepwise. First of all, what is virus? You hear this term often. What is computer virus? It is a program or it is a piece of code that copies itself in another program and modifies that program. We have a program. What is virus? A virus is a piece of code that modifies my program. By modifying that, my program will behave roughly or it stops. There are different conditions. The program that is being modified, it means my own program that is being modified, is called host program. And when the host program runs, the virus also gets executed automatically and then it replicates itself. Virus is highly dependent on host program. When host program runs, it should replicate itself. And what a virus can do, it can replicate itself, and when it replicates itself, what are the consequences? Memory consumption further brings the system to the halt position. A virus does not remain limited to one computer. It can spread. A virus can delete data in a computer. It can modify data. A virus display strange messages on screen effects. How this virus spread, we will discuss later. Next, we have adware. Before adware, we will discuss worm. What is worm? It is an independent program that reproduces by copying itself from one computer to another. A worm reproduces itself from one computer to another. What is difference between virus and worm? Virus needs host program to replicate itself, but worm reproduces itself. It does not need any host program. It executes independently and spreads on its own accord through network connections. It does not need any host program. What is adware? When we are using our computer, we saw ads of different products, unwanted products, which we don't want to see. This is all because of adware. What is adware? It is a free software that automatically plays, displays, or download advertisement to a computer while program is running. How to secure from adware? In browsers, we have ad blockers. In the extension, we use ad blockers. This will prevent the adware. Next one and the last one, threat is hacker. What is a hacker? Everyone knows about hacker, and hacker is an individual who gain unauthorized access to a computer system. Suppose I have my own PC and I have its password and only I can use this PC. If some unauthorized person get the access of my computer without my permission, that person is called hacker. The purpose behind hacking is getting computer services without paying from them. Many applications has paid applications. Hackers get into that application free of cost, getting information to sell. Hackers can get into secure applications like banking and other applications and sell that information, which will cause damage to the organization. How hacker access to your computer? Hacker use programs to detect the computer that can be accessed. Those programs are called vulnerability scanners. They crack passwords, they make fake websites and ask them to approach that website. If you approach the website, your computer will be hacked. Now, how these security threats, how these virus swarm spreads? They spreads by infected flash drives, they spread by email attachments, they spread by surfing insecure websites and installation of pirated software. What are pirated software? Some softwares are paid softwares, and we got unauthorized copy of that registered or paid software that is called pirated software. Software piracy is considered a crime. Hacking is considered a crime. There is different types of hacking. One is ethical hacking, that is legal. Next, antivirus. What is antivirus? It is used to remove the virus from your computer. It is a program that searches a computer for malicious software and removes them. There are different types of antiviruses in the market. Some of them are Norton, McAfee, AVG, Microsoft Security Essentials, and many other different softwares. Now I will show you how to run an antivirus program in your computer practically. I have installed Avast antivirus software. This is the icon of Avast antivirus software. In Windows 10, we have a default software for antivirus, that is Windows Defender. Before Windows 10, we have to install an external antivirus software. Avast takes time. I have to show you in Windows Defender. This is a default Windows 10 antivirus software or Windows Defender. We have options. This is virus and threat protection. My computer is protected from viruses, device performance and health. This will give you instructions for the good health of your device. Firewall and network protection, app and browse control. Uh, this is the main thing in antivirus. Uh, we can go through quick scan. If I scan this, it will go through a quick scan to computer. If any infected file it contains, it will scan that file. We have advanced scan option in which we have full scan. It takes more time to fully scan the computer. We have custom scan. We can choose a folder or file to scan custom files and folder. And Windows Defender offline scan. This will offline scan your computer. Important is quick scan. It takes 3 to 5 minutes to scan your computer. A custom scan, if we want to scan a folder or file, we will use custom scan. And if we have full scan, it will take hour or two to scan itself. This is it from today's lecture. At the end of chapter number 2, we have some questions. uh, Question number 1 is define vulnerability, threat and countermeasure. We have discussed all three previously. Question number 2, define a virus. Why is it harmful? We have discussed the virus in detail. How is a virus different from a worm? Virus need a host computer. Worm does not need that. Why do criminal hack other computer? To steal the information, to sell the information, to unauthorized, to get unauthorized access. Write down the way malware spread, how malware spreads. And last one, what facilities does an antivirus program offers? It offers you scan your computer to protect your computer. You all guys need to write down all these 6 questions in your copy. This is it from today's lecture. Thank you so much.